Welcome to AVEVA Instrumentation Training by Sinthalai Technical Institute. Thank you for giving us the opportunity, and we are glad to be part of your career growth. In this lesson you will learn how to create a new loop in the Engineer module. After opening the Engineer module, go to the Home menu. Then go to the Lists and Schedules group and click on the Select button to view the available grid views. Click on Loops to open the Loop List grid view. The Loop List grid view will appear along with the Loop List menu. There are two ways to create a new loop. Option 1 is to go to the Home menu, then go to the Records group and click the New button. Option 2 is to go to the Loop List menu, then go to the Records group and click the New button. The Records group is available in both menus for convenience. For this training, we are going to create the loop with the tag 01P0001. This loop will be used and referred to throughout the training. After clicking the New button, the Loop Tag dialog form will appear. First, choose the required loop class from the pick list. Then choose the required tag format from the pick list. Next, choose the required loop type from the pick list. In this case, select pressure. Based on the selected loop type, the loop function will be updated automatically. Next, choose the area from the pick list. Enter the sequence number. Enter the suffix if required. In this case, the suffix is left as it is. The loop tag will now appear at the bottom in bold text. Ensure that the loop tag matches the approved tag philosophy. Click OK. The Add New Loop window will now appear. In this window, you can enter additional data related to the loop. Entering and editing loop-related additional data is explained in another video titled Edit Loop. Click OK to continue. The Add New Loop window will close and the new loop will be created. The newly created loop can now be seen in the Loop List grid view. Congratulations! You have learned how to create a new loop in AVEVA Instrumentation. Thank you for your time and attention. This concludes this training lecture. We appreciate your participation and interest in the topic. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you once again, and we look forward to your continued learning and engagement.